guys, if you are not crafty at all but want beautiful items for your home from the dollar store, today we're making 5 giant DIYs that you can put together in just a couple of minutes and feel so crafty on a budget. First, we are making DIY snow globes.
Turned out so good.
At the Dollar Tree, I saw that they had plastic bowls. They always get more of these during the holiday time. Buy a couple of these, or you could even thrift a giant glass bowl and then some items to fill it with. Now you guys, I couldn't stop. I had to make a few of these. The Dollar Tree has miniature village items. They also have bottle brush trees. You get 2 for $1. And the Target Dollar Spot also has many for $1. And I was also really impressed with Target's miniature houses this year. They're about $1 each, and some of them even come with lights inside.
Thank you for your help.
Thanks to Pinterest, I learned that Epsom salts looks just like snow. You want to pour this into the bottom of your bowl, and the real trick is to add a little bit of Dollar Tree faux snow for some extra sparkle, and then decorate away. I decided to do a miniature snowball fight since I'm a mom of boys. I took the lid off a miniature container and just hot glued it on to the bowl. I tied a ribbon on top and just set it right on, and this looks so beautiful in our entryway cabinet. I created a similar look with gold bottle brush trees and the miniature houses from Target. We just love this one.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Over the years, I have made tons of wreaths on my channel, but I got really inspired by a Pottery Barn wreath that was legitimately $80 with miniature houses on it. And hoop wreaths are so trendy right now. I got mine in a pack of 3 from Walmart. But Dollar Tree also sells gold hoop wreaths, and these would be really easy to cut down using wire cutters. I took a popsicle stick and glued it onto the back of the largest wreath, and then I hot glued on my houses.
Oh, da, 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 making our Christmas memories.
And I just used foliage that I had sitting around and wrapped it around using floral wire. The sky is the limit with what you could create. Last minute, I decided to add a smaller hoop on the inside and a miniature ornament hanging off of it. This looks so, so beautiful. I am loving this more classic and simple look this year.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
I'm so excited about this one because this item is flying off the shelves at Dollar Tree, the truck signs. And if you buy one of the miniature signs, you can actually make it stand up super fast by just hot gluing it right on. And knowing me, I had to embellish it a little bit, so I took some copper LED lights. I like to shop outside of the Christmas section for some of these things, along with some faux snow. I just sprayed a little tacky glue on and then put the snow on top, and then I wrapped the lights around the tree. This is such a cute DIY. Leave me a comment down below of what you think Kirkland's would sell something like this for.
Da, 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 da.
Something I haven't done in a while is making pedestals. I love using these for the holiday. And if you get some Christmas buckets, you can take the lid off. I love the scalloped edge on these. I couldn't find candlesticks at my Dollar Tree, so I just got some glasses. I glued them together, giving it 1 coat of spray paint that bonds to plastic and glass. Looks so elegant. The Dollar Tree got new decals this year, and a super easy trick is to take a $1 plate, and you can stick these decals right on and use them as decor in your cabinets. Now you obviously can't eat on them, but you can change out the type of decals that you want depending on the look that you have. I think these are so adorable. A favorite that you'll be sure to bring back year after year are oversized lanterns made with Dollar Tree frames. You just glue these together and you can stick a candle in the center in one of the hurricane vases. And the real trick to decorating this is to pick one type of flower or berry from the Dollar Tree and put it around. These look so high-end. If you enjoyed today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. And a comment down below of your favorite DIY or something that you would like to try. Subscribe so I can catch you in the next video. I have tons more, and actually a bonus video coming this week. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
I'm not touching. No.